It was just 2 years ago that ADL announced the transformational project MMC. Designed to address the wants and needs of customers, major model change would involve every aspect of the business. A hugely ambitious project, it set in place plans designed to underpin the business for many years to come.
So what we're doing is making sure that we absolutely understand the wants and the needs of our key customers.
One of the objectives we have is to be able to demonstrate to customers that the whole life cost of owning our vehicles is measurable, first of all, and it is lower and cheaper than that of the competition.
It's going to be the most thoroughly engineered new product that we've ever launched.
We've been looking at the deliverables of the project, and the way we've tried to describe that is our ABC approach, and that stands for a platform approach, best cost of ownership and customer enhancement.
What we're really doing is we're taking this as a phenomenal opportunity, getting our sales, financial, purchasing, manufacturing, quality, aftermarket people, and I've missed a few like a wedding list, but getting all of those folks to play at the top of their game to understand what best in class looks like is really what will take our business to the next level.
As the project progressed, it became clear that the constant theme would be customer engagement. Listening to customers and learning from their wealth of experience was vital to the development and success of MMC.
It's a novel idea, because before you would design a vehicle and come and sell it to us and say, here's our bus. Now actually we feel part of the team because we actually involved right from the beginning now, so we can put our input in.
Getting people to come from bus companies is something which is unique. As I say to ADL, they're giving the bus operator the chance to have his input.
Yes, it's imperative they ask us at this early stage.
Yeah, obviously I think ADL have listened to what their customers and drivers have had to say about these things.
And because they're getting people from the big groups, they're going to end up with a product which will go across the whole of the country, a good range.
And this will be the next generation purchase for us.
It'd be nice to see it and to know that we've been part of it.
I think it'll be a real step forward, and it will certainly shake the industry up, and it'll give the competitors something to think about.
It does make it feel like it's my bus, like I've had a say in the design of this bus.
Yeah, there's a sense of involvement in this vehicle that we've probably not had with other builds.
Makes it hard for us as operators not to be impressed and not to be massively interested in what the final end result is going to be for us.
The response has been absolutely brilliant from everybody who's seen the vehicle.
We're getting feedback all the time.
The comments generally have been absolutely brilliant.
There's lots of well thought out comments.
It's become more and more positive because we've listened to them.
So, with this innovative bus finally unveiled to customers who were instrumental in its conception, the next stage was a rigorous test program, where it would be subjected to an exceptional testing regime, simulating the full life of a bus in the toughest possible conditions. The new Enviro 400 will be ADL's most reliable product ever.
It's what the passenger wants to see.
You know, a 5'5" or a 6'5" person are going to be equally comfortable in this cab. That's good. That's long overdue.
And I will say that it actually looks smaller than it is. As inside, it actually feels bigger.
At this stage, let's take a moment to see in more detail some of the many improvements that have been designed in to this revolutionary new product.
The new Enviro 400, the bus that raises the bar throughout the whole industry. Welcome to the future. As soon soon as you board the new Enviro 400, you sense that this is a new experience. Let's start at the driver's cab. There's a gloss finish that flows from here seamlessly into the rest of the interior, and the thing that stands out immediately is this, the Assault screen.
100% functional, but with gentle curves that blend with the surrounding area. In addition, the distracting reflections are greatly reduced by the attention to detail that has gone into the whole design. There's a large and convenient space for the ticket machine, all in easy reach of the driver.
So, what's there to see inside the cab? Well, the first thing you notice that's different is that it's spacious. And then there's the door. Buses have long been bugged by doors that rattle. Well, that all changes with the new E400. This door is all new, and thanks to these seals, it won't rattle. At last, a rattle-proof door. Even the lock has been re-engineered to work smoothly and quietly. It's this level of detail and refinement that has gone into every aspect of ADL's new bus. How about the driver's seat? Well, it's ergonomically designed for a wide range of drivers. After all, the guys and the girls behind the wheel come in all shapes and sizes. Everything the driver needs sits comfortably within reach, including the start and gear buttons and the parking brake. There's a massive amount of adjustment available for the driving position, and the wheel moves with the seat, so all drivers can find their ideal driving position. Visibility is exceptional too, with a new wraparound screen and improved sightlines to the front and sides, and well-positioned mirrors. The switchgear is new too. E400 has adopted the positive feedback switches, overwhelmingly favoured by operators. They're functional, easy to see, feel and operate. Screen technology is critical too, and ADL's team have looked at all possibilities.
And the result? They've come up with a layout that cleverly positions everything positively, but also unobtrusively. The same applies to the optional cooling fan. The cab structure has been shaped to accommodate it as part of the overall design.
There's plenty of space for the driver's jacket, and his storage area is a gem too, providing space for everything but the kitchen sink. So, there's a whole new experience for the driver, but what about the passengers? The thing that hits you immediately is the light, airy and welcoming ambience both downstairs and upstairs. This is primarily down to the exceptionally large windows, including a rear window, which was a unanimous recommendation of ADL's customers. The whole interior has been designed so that shapes, colours and materials blend together. There is also an extra seat on the London spec bus, and an amazing 5 more in the hybrid model, with no compromise on legroom or space. And these are all full-size seats, not the compromised mother and child versions found on some buses. They also benefit from generous headroom. Heating and ventilation also makes a quantum leap in the new Enviro 400. In tackling this, ADL engineers went back to basics, designing a system that will create a consistently warm environment in the winter, but also capable of providing a constant cooler temperature in the summer. The new system is based on a heating unit located in the lower saloon, and it's designed to force air to all corners of the bus, both quickly and efficiently.
For buses fitted with the air chiller in the upper saloon, passengers will experience a consistent temperature between 17 and 18 degrees wherever they are on the bus all year round.
The staircase, or should I say square case, is a new approach.
This compact design takes up less space, is easier to use and is brightly lit, making it safer and more user-friendly, thanks to a continuous handrail running from top to bottom.
There are some major hidden design benefits too, and many of them pursue that holy grail of the rattle-proof bus. Redesigned hand pole mountings and securely fixed wiring looms are things that passengers won't see, but they will have a beneficial impact on their experience.
So, it's simplicity and innovation, along with over 200 built-in improvements, that are set to keep the Enviro 400 in its market-leading position. Welcome to the future.
Enviro 400 MMC, a masterpiece of contemporary design that redefines the double-deck bus. Meeting every one of the objectives set, it provides a whole new world of excellence and advantage for drivers, passengers and operators alike.
I've seen many first-off builds and prototypes, nowhere near, not a patch on this.
Look, something fresh, something new.
First impressions were spot on.
It is quite stunning. Very impressive.
So yeah, there's part of us in there, which is great.
They have done what they said they were going to do.
Like a breath of fresh air. I was just blown away by the window design on it.
The quality is good, it's very good.
And usually when the design is good, it makes it a surefire winner.
I suppose the real asked question is, would I buy it? Would Lothian Buses buy it? Absolutely, why not?
It just blows you away.
I think it definitely will be a success for ADL, yeah.
I can't see us not buying it, to be honest.
Yeah, I believe it's going to be a success when it's launched.
It will be a success regardless.
Probably is going to be best in its class.
Enviro 400 MMC. The future is now.